Freak Nation. It's the president, T-Electric, and I'm right back at it again with another Pinty product. Look what Pinty done did. They done sent me a rifle scope. Wow. Look at this, Gun Freak Nation. Man, this is beautiful. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show y'all, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Alright? Comes wrapped up, packaged very well. We got the manual right here. I don't know what this is. Look like this might be the actual, this is like the mount right here. This is the mount system. We have one battery. Here's the actual scope. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I don't know what this is right here. It's wrapped up. Look like some type of Wow, man. This is solid. I got to figure out what that part is right there, but it's got the flip up caps on it, and oh yeah, you can see real good with this motherfucker. This bitch right here got a badass zoom on it. So yeah, I'm gonna let's see. Yeah, this is dope. All I know is that I'm going to read some of the things on it. As you can see right here, it say wide field of view, shock and recoil proof, fully coated lenses, and aircraft grade aluminum alloy. So this is like, this is solid. I don't even got a full size right. Well, you know what? I could, mount this on the Tavoy. Like I said, I got to figure out what the hell this thing is right here. What is it? But I'm gonna tell y'all something, Gun Freak Nation. This is solid. But let me take a pause for the calls and see, can I put this motherfucker together? I love you, Gun Freak Nation. Yeah. This is the scope. I've added the two mounts on it. You mount it on a Picatinny rail. These two right here. And once you install the battery, it illuminates. It lights up. So this is very solid. The link to this rifle scope will be in the description. It will be a 10% discount on it. Just use the code GFN. And shout out to Lily for sending me these awesome products. This is it, baby. So if you need a hunting, scope, a rifle scope, hey, hit that link in the description. And this is solid. I like it with the, that it got the little dust caps on it, and it's very, very, very solid. But I would have put it on the Savoy X95, but YouTube don't like stuff like that, so I'm not going to risk the channel, getting a strike on it, because I love y'all too much, and I don't want my babies taken away from it, my channel, So, but yeah, if you are interested in this scope, This is solid, man. If you are interested in it, you know, hey, hit that link in the description, okay? Um, Basically, it it's got the magnification ring, the lock ring for focus, upper hand wheel cover, right hand wheel cover, and distance ring. So yeah, it's definitely solid. So hit that link if y'all interested, Gun Freak Nation. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Once again, thank you, Pinty, for sending me the product to review. And Gun Freak Nation, salute. Appreciate y'all.